and welcome to this guitar tutorial of MyMusicSchool.com. Today we're going to concentrate on our right hand and work on some strumming. So to keep it easy, we're going to just have for the whole video have our E minor in the left hand. It's not going to change because our left hand is not important right now. So for the right hand, strumming means basically trying to play every string at once. So it's like making the sound at once. So it's like one big chord. So it doesn't matter if you're playing with a pick or if you're playing with your fingers, but make sure that you try to play the strings as fast after another as possible, so it's like one big thing. So in most cases you might want to play the strings quite quickly after another, so like that. So that way it almost sounds like you play them at the same time. In other cases you can also play them a bit slower, especially maybe in the end of a song. That might be a nice effect, like end it like this and it's like just another sound. So in strumming there's downstrokes, which means we play from our lowest string to the highest string. And there are upstrokes, which means we play from our highest to lowest string. So the whole trick behind strumming patterns is to keep this downwards and upwards motion running all the time. So to exercise this, we can try to play the next thing, which will be just alternating between downstroke and upstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to exercise this, just play this for a while, just get lost in it, try not to be tense and make sure that the main movement is coming out of your wrist, not your arm. If you do that, we tend to get tense here, and then after playing like that for a while it might hurt a bit, and so make sure you're really smooth here. So here's an example of another rhythm that you can play. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you could see, the movement of my right hand was just as constant as before, but the sound wasn't. The reason for that is that at our first upbeat, upstroke, I didn't touch the string, but still kept the movement constant. And so you have the movement just in the air. You don't touch the string, so that's how it looks. So this movement, it's just an upward movement to keep this going. It's really important that this is going all the time. This will help you to make your rhythms really smooth. Like if that's interrupted, you will tend to also interrupt the rhythm. So if you keep that going, basically nothing can go wrong. You can improvise with different rhythms. Basically just choose to sometimes hit the strings and sometimes not. And try to use your ears to come up with rhythms that sound good to you. So here's an example of me just trying to improvise different kinds of rhythms. Try to watch my right hand closely. If you heard some interesting stuff right there, you can always go back or pause the video and listen to what I played again. For more information on this subject, feel free to book a lesson on MyMusicSchool.com.